If you're a Canva user and you're looking to switching to Canva Pro, so you can use the premium images and clip arts from the photos and elements, then this video will save you some money. First things first, if your sole purpose of switching to Canva Pro is for you to be able to use these paid images from the photos and elements, then this video will save you some money. But then again, there are other good features in Canva Pro that are useful, such as the image background remover, higher cloud storage capacity. There's a variety of fonts also that are exclusive for Canva Pro, so you can go ahead and subscribe to it. Okay, so now nandito tayo sa design page. Let's say gusto kong gamitin itong photo na ito. Pero it clearly indicates, diba, that it's a Canva Pro image. Let's use it anyway. So dahil nga exclusive lang siya for Canva Pro, nakikita natin na merong watermark itong image na to. And if we try to download it, ayan, it shows na kailangan natin magbayad ng 50 pesos for this image. Let's remove this photo, then I will show you how we can skip paying for this image. So let's go back to the image on the left side of the screen and right click on the image, then select Save Image As. Isa-save natin ito ngayon sa computer natin. Now it's downloaded. Let's open it. So the idea is to save the image to your computer, then upload it to Canva. So now, pwede na natin gamitin the same image na walang watermark. Hindi tayo nagbayad for that image, and sobrang dali lang gawin itong hack na to. If you download this, it will no longer show that you have to pay for this image. At kahit i-post mo pa yan directly sa Facebook account mo or i-download mo, wala na talaga yung watermark. I-try naman natin dito sa elements. Hanap ako ng image na for Canva Pro lang. So, ganun pa rin naman, may 50 pesos charge pa rin ito. Now, the same process lang, balikan mo yung image, then right click, tapos Save Image As. I-save sa computer at i-upload sa Canva. So, ganun lang kadali gawin itong hack na to. But then again, there are still other good features in Canva Pro that are useful, such as the image background remover, larger storage capacity. There's a variety of fonts also that are exclusive for Canva Pro. So if you really like to try Canva Pro, go ahead and subscribe to it.